everyone, welcome back to Yags3world. Today in this video I'm going to show you various resources for learning Photoshop online for free. Why to spend thousands of rupees for learning those things which can be learned by using just internet? My dear friends, internet is not just for entertainment purpose. You can learn almost everything online for completely free. Photoshop is the software product from Adobe company. It is used for editing photos, for making banners, posters, book covers and many more stuffs like that. There are institutions surrounding us which ensures you to teach detailed things about Photoshop. Even after ensuring, they just teach you tools, working of tools, how to edit, etc. But among all the other students in the class, they cannot focus properly only on you. In fact, they cannot evaluate your actual learning. So using internet, how you can learn Photoshop for free? Here is the list of YouTube channel where you can learn Photoshop for free. Photoshop tutorials, PH Learn, Photoshop tutorials / photo effects, GFX Mentor, Pix Imperfect, etc. Here's the list of websites where you can learn Photoshop for free. Adobe's official tutorial, phlearn.com, photoshopessential.com, etc. I have list of the books you can get for free for learning Photoshop. I have given the link in the description below. Just check out. Hey, if you think this video is helpful for you, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for learning how to learn. You can also visit our website, that is yags3world.com, for getting more Photoshop related resources and many stuffs like philosophy, business skills, learning strategies, etc. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and be happy.